This is really cool. It's great that we can train the AI to give us content more based around our needs. Search intent, to make sure I'm on the same page, are we talking about user search intent as in, the keywords might have a informational, navigational, transactional, or commercial intent?
Let me explain you. So in the beginning, we had a main topic of interest, and you press the button while training Athena, the search intent, right? So what it did in the beginning, when you have this main topic of interest, when you trained Athena, it goes on Google and collect all the information like the roadblocks, main topic of interest. We can see what was your main topic of interest in the third tab. Yeah, go down. One more here. Main topic of interest was how to gain leads from my website. This was your main topic.
Okay, so that's the interest niche.
That's the interest. And when you say train search intent, what it did, it go onto the website and pull all the results, top 10 results relating to how to gain lead from my website. But then it iterate this search and say roadblocks, how to gain leads from my website. Suspicion, how to gain roadblocks from my website. Mistakes, how to gain leads from my website. So there are 14 different modifiers to your original search term, and it sort of collect those psychographic data from the search intent, and that should pretty much also cover search intent in the sense of top of the awareness, because when you're talking about psychographics, mistakes, desires, it also include comparison, review, FAQ, so all kind of intent related to that main topic is captured. And this is not in the sense of SEO search intent, but more in the psychographic way. We wanted to capture different variations of it, like mistakes, roadblocks. There are 14 different variations.
Okay, so that's what the intent represents.
Yes.
Some of this information is pulled from the website. Some of this stuff is not, my location is not that. Maybe
we need to revisit because we did copy didn't work when we input the information.
Yeah.
We need to revisit that information.
Okay.
That's all correct.
So for sales copy, enable this mode by training on niche data. So I need to do some more training here somewhere. What do I need to be doing?
No, you just need to select that bar in order to enable that.
It's grayed out at the moment.
At the moment it is grayed out because we have not created any sales copywriting script. This is another module of the tool. When we create sales copywriting script, you train Athena, then it get enabled.
Okay.
So if you click on it, and if you want to only focus on search intent, then you can click on the search intent. And you can also test how the result will change when you ask write me Athena only on the search intent. So if you click on it now, yes, and if you do any kind of rewrite again, then it should change the context. The same thing that you written with write me Athena, maybe produce a different context which was picked up directly from that main topic of interest. Like maybe you can choose a short sentence like this sentence, and we see like how the write me Athena works. You can also write anything like write a conclusion, and you just speak it. It's your own language here. It will be understanding that instruction. You can write yourself, not exactly from this.
For myself to write.
Yeah. If you are in the end of the blog, you can say, okay, write a conclusion. Yeah, if you say write conclusion, and if you just select it and say ask me Athena, it should put a conclusion to your blog. So you see the conclusion is quite in sync with what you are doing.
Yeah. So a bit of feedback again, the write conclusion command, and you might have some other commands which we're not seeing here. I don't know if it is shown somewhere.
So you can invent whatever your command, as long as these are short. Like you can say single big feature, desire, as long as you speak in the same language. When Athena is trained, it will work. And if you wanted to go specific, then I can show you templates. These are very useful because if you are new to the blogging, you can copy paste the whole template and Athena understand that language. So for example, if you click on how to blog post or any one of these, open it. And these are the standard template adopted from HubSpot. So if you say copy here, these are some instruction how to use this, right? And there's a call to action like copy from here. If you scroll down, copy from here. So if you copy everything from introduction until end, whatever you see here in the blue thing, you can pretty much ask Athena to write, and it will understand that language. This is Notion Note. I think it should work, and you can go to your editor.
I've used the keyboard shortcut for now. I don't have Notion. I'll just add to the bottom here.
Now you can also expand it on the full screen, but anything that you see in the bold, big part, right? You can just structure a whole blog. You can just select introduction and say, ask me Athena, write me Athena. You just need to select them and write. Select this bold part, single big desire, and then say, ask me Athena. It will bring your single big desire. Right? And these small instructions are for the new bloggers that you wanted to write, to describe in about 100-150 words what you want to achieve by this blog. These are more general instructions. It understands your single big desire, which is there. And when you say what is the main topic of interest, and you say ask me Athena, it will write about that main topic of interest. So it understands that language. So these are not like hard command, but you can write in your own language, which sort of general command which Athena understands. So if you say provide 3 suggestions if you are new to the main topic of interest, it will understand that we are asking 3 suggestions for your main topic of interest, which is how to increase lead, right? That was from your website.